Over tomorrow.
Brandon had that shit here now. Brandon do that for you.
You know, say like that. I never give you. I will give you. I know.
How much you will give me? You got to give me. I carry myself first. Guys, search yourself.
You don't ask me twice. Maybe you wait to go. Maybe I even like something. As I give you so wait stay 2 days. I collect and then they help me part. If you see I will 400, I see I give you. I'll give you. But I know say you people. If not, I won't my brother will eat am. I will leave and forget like 3 days and I start worrying and I will give you. You see weakness only give me last night, my brother. No be so they do something. They see me and I don't sleep one bed. They don't do things like that too.
So they know whether if you don't give it, who will give
one casket?
Huh?
But it's not good too.
That one if they don't give it, who will give them?
No, it's not good.
But they don't give them money. If you don't care, then you not gonna have money for other people.
No, it's not good. It's not good. When I come hold the week first week, I say, Sonny, give me this kind of week.
Imagine. You don't investigate yourself.
I say, make I not even complain, make I try smoke. All my smoke, then I start to smoke. I smoke water leaf.
Water leaf.
I smoke one pack, it go away big so finish. That nothing do me like. That's cigar self high pass. If you drink cigar too much, it go high you.
No, Sunday don't they make weed now. No say this for some days now. You don't go make weed.
But it's not correct now.
I want 1 kg in the cell.
They been waiting in the lab.
Instead you lose money. You lose money in this business. To God, if na Nigeria buy this food, I go sponsor call them. They fight on it this morning. I tight on. That go tight on it. Not correct. They don't do like that. I want 1,250 naira with that.
That's the money we give you.
50 kwai now.
50 kwai now. 50 kwai don't buy 4 rolls. 5 rolls 250. You know 5 rolls you go how much you go sell? You go sell more than 5,000 naira dollars for 5 rolls.
I see who I go carry alcohol.
Not correct.
Now this man is doing like this. No, say you no go blame that guy, sure. How go there now? No, if you no do anything now.
See as you do. You go that side, go collect.
No kind of complain those people. If I no go Ebola, if I no sell for 1 year, if I no sell again, nah, nothing. I don't that business. So the way you see, no get any other business. You know, get any other business. You know, you no get any other business. One, you have to be fixed up, but the problem is too big. Everybody know him, and everybody know about him. Even somebody cannot collect 1 G white or 1 G for like 4 or somebody now. Then in Nigeria man. Because he will collect from you, he will send you the money and come and fight you. You see the life? So you give it for soldier. You know see soldier? You know see soldier? Soldier,
Come on board.
Soldier maybe not tomorrow in the day.
Hey, now if I don't know I go like to.
Oh, since then I never see a land.
Not tomorrow.
Hey, tomorrow go.
Sparkle.
I want to try to see whether this technology will present that thing to me.